Hello everyone, this is Nate from Christie's RV. Today we're going to be going through this 267BHS Jay Flight SLX. Up at the front of the trailer you have two 30-pound propane tanks. In between the two propane tanks you have a crossover regulator. So if you have both your propane tanks on, whatever way the regulator is pointed is the bottle it's going to draw the propane from. If that propane bottle runs out of gas, it'll automatically switch itself over to the other tank and draw from that tank, so nothing gets interfered with and your fridge won't go out or anything. Behind that down here you have your battery in a battery box. On the side here you have your pass-through storage, which is up underneath the bed. Towards the back here you have your outdoor shower. Right underneath the outdoor shower is your city water connect, so that's where you would connect the pressurized garden hose to pressurize the system in your trailer so you can use your sinks in your shower and your toilet. Below the city water connection you have your sewage outlet. Handle on the left here, which is gray, will be for your gray water, so that's your sinks, your tub. On the right here you have your black handle, which is going to be for your toilet. I would always pull the gray handle or the black first and then wash your everything out with the gray. Trailer comes with 2 jacks on the front, 2 on the back, stabilizer jacks. You never want to jack the trailer up with the stabilizer jacks. You want to level your trailer frontwards, backwards, side to side, and then you can crank your stabilizer jacks down to stabilize your trailer. In your back bumper you have your sewer hose. Back here you have the port for your cord. Cord is roughly 30 feet long. Got your spare tire on the back. On the back passenger side here you have the back of your hot water heater. To drain your hot water heater you want to make sure you let all the pressure off. You can do that by running your sinks inside, or you can flip your pressure relief valve, will let the pressure off, and then you can pull your plug out to drain your tank. Beside your hot water heater you have another big storage. Right here you have the back of your fridge. It's not much you have to get in there for, but if you ever had to, you just twist the 2 knobs on top and you can pull it down. Right below that you have your furnace outlet. You don't want to put anything in front of it because it does get hot and it needs to vent. Right here you have your cable TV output. So if you had a TV outside, that's where you could connect your cable so you could get channels. And up here is a mount to mount your TV. Beside that is 2 receptacles. They're GFI protected. And beside the receptacles you have your potable water fill, so that's where you'd put a garden hose in there to fill up so you can haul your water with you wherever you're going. Alright, let's head inside. So when you come inside, right on the left here you have these 2 switches down at the bottom. The one on the left is going to be for your lights underneath your awning, and the one on the right is for all your lights inside. Above that you have your switches for your slide out and your awning. So for your slide out you want to push out and you want to just hold the button down until the slide goes all the way out. You never want to have the slide halfway in or out. It will not seal. The slide will only seal when the slide is all the way in or all the way out. And you just want to hold the button until it's all the way out. And you'll hear some ratcheting. Beside the slide switch is the awning. So same thing, to put the awning out, you want to hold the out. You never want to leave your awning out in a rain or in a wind, a heavy wind. So I suggest whenever you're not using your awning, you can just put it in just to be safe. You want to hold the button until the flap comes down, and then you can let it go. These awnings do have a dump setting, so you can just push in here, slide the bar, clip it in so you can dump it. Above those two switches you have your monitor panel. So starting at the top three are your tanks. So you got your, tells you how much is in your gray tank, black tank, or fresh tank. At the bottom you have your battery button. It says your battery's full. Your batteries will be charging whenever your trailer is plugged into a 110 outlet. Underneath those buttons you have your hot water heater. You can just flick that on and your hot water heater will light itself up. And then beside that, if you're hauling your water in your tank, you can flip it on and it'll flick your water pump on. And then you can just use your sinks and toilets just like normal. Down here you have your fire extinguisher and you have your propane gas alarm. So I tell customers to just give it a press every time you go out. Make sure it's working and you're all safe. Up here you have your antenna. This antenna just spins side to side. It's not like the old ones that you would crank up. You just push up and give it a twist. Over here you have your microwave. Works like any household microwave. Below that you have your range hood. You got your fan and your light. To light your cooktop, you just turn your knobs to the big flame and give it a click. To light your stove here, you do have to light a pilot. So you can turn the knob to pilot, hold it down for a few seconds. Then you can reach in, and at the back, you'll see a little rod you light. It'll light up, and then you hold it in for a few seconds. And then you pick whatever temperature you'd like your oven at. Below your oven, you have your load center. So on the right is all your 12-volt fuses. If a fuse does blow, a little red light will come on so you know which fuse is blown. And on the left here you have all your breakers for your trailer. Beside your stove you have your fridge. So if your fridge is on auto, it'll automatically run off 110. If the trailer gets unplugged or you lose power, it'll automatically switch itself over to gas. Or you can pick to just run it right off gas if you don't have a 110 receptacle to plug into. To get to your water pump for winterizing, you have this panel here with one screw you can take out. And then you can get to the back of your water pump. To get to your hot water heater, up underneath the bottom bunk, you can lift the door open. Then at the back there you can see all your valves and your low point drains. Here you have your bathroom, got your light, If you're using this switch and your light isn't going on, someone might have pressed the button, so you can just press it and turn it on, and then you can use it from the switch again. Then right here outside the bathroom you have your GFI, so if any plug is not working and you're plugged into a 110 outlet with your trailer, you can come here and reset your outlets. On the other side of that wall you have your thermostat. Just press the button once to turn it on. Set your fan to auto. When you see the snowflake, that's going to be your air conditioner, so you can set your temperature and your air conditioner will automatically turn on. Then press it one more time and you have your furnace. You can pick your temperature. The fan will come on for the furnace and then you'll hear it light up. Then last at the back here is your emergency exit. So if you ever have to use your emergency exit, just pull that out, push, pull your screen out, and I guess dive out. Hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you for shopping at Christie's.